Welcome to DIY Saturday. For this month's project, I'm going to be showing you how to make a hot glue gun holder. If you're like me, you use your glue gun for a lot of projects. This holder will help you have a safe place to keep your gun and sticks while you work. For this project, I used a square glass cutting board, Mod Podge, a brush, a small picture frame, scissors, scrapbook paper, and a paper trimmer. Start by measuring the board with a piece of scrap paper and cut out the areas for the stand on the bottom. These legs help keep the board from sliding around. I wanted to make sure that my scrapbook paper was flush around the legs. Once I had the paper cut out, I glued it onto the bottom of the cutting board with Mod Podge. Trim off any excess paper. I turned the plate over, removed the closure and backing from the picture frame, and added it to the board. I used an old yogurt jar to store my glue sticks and added it to the board as well. I hope you get just as much use out of this craft as I do. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.